Friends, this question from Jan 2026 ST Quiz 2 question paper. So consider the following range for a thermostat's allowable temperature setting in degrees Celsius. So the temperature range is given in the question, and which of the following test sets would satisfy the maximal boundary value analysis BVA for the given partition. In the question they are asking to find the boundary value analysis for the given test input sets. So here in BVA boundary value analysis, this is a standard 5 values, right? Standard 5 values. So in BVA boundary value analysis, they gives the minimum value and maximum value range, right? So minimum value and the maximum value ranges. So what are these 5 values? So this first one is minimum value, maximum value, and minimum means decreasing, that is minimum -1. Maximum means increasing, that is plus, so that is maximum +1. Just above the range, just above the max value of the range, just below the minimum value range, just below the minimum value range this side, and maximum value this side. So there is in between the range, so that is in between max and minimum value. So include both values also, including minimum value, maximum value. This braces, right? This square brackets means including both. So the given input range is -10, 40. So this is the minimum value. So what is the set of boundary value analysis input set? For this partition, first we include minimum value, right? -10 and maximum value 40, right? Next minimum -1, so that is -10, -1, -11, right? So first you have to write -11. So -11. Next maximum +1, right? Maximum +1, that is maximum value is 40. 40 plus 1, that is 41. So this one is 41. So generally the middle value is average value, or we consider any value between these two, average or nominal value. So what is the average value? -10 plus 40/2, for example, that is 30/2, 15, or otherwise we check with options also. So these are completely 5 values, right? You can remember 5 values, set of 5 values, 5 standard BVA boundary value analysis. So for this first option, -11 is there, this one is there, -10 is there, -10 is there, 40, 41 is there, but no middle value, right? So this value also, the value between the minimum and the maximum value, you have to include this one also, that is the value between minimum and maximum value also. It's not there, so this option is incorrect. -11 is there, -10, 40, 41. These values are also valid, okay? Generally BVA has 5 standard values. Here they included 2 values also, right? Is -10 and the 40 value, right? -11, they include this range. -11, this is minimum value, and minimum -1, minimum +1, that is -10 plus 1 is 9, right? -9, this value. So here is max, this value is 41, that is max +1, and this value max -1, so that is 39, right? So they included boundary values also. Generally BVA contains 5 values. This question they included boundary values. Answer for this question. And -10 only -40 is not correct. this is valid. So that is given range is -10 to 40 including both, right? Including both. This is valid boundary. In this range all are valid. So this max plus 1 39 is also valid boundary value. So this is invalid, right? Invalid boundary. So in this one is also invalid. So in this question generally the BVA means 5 standard values. So in this question they included both valid and invalid conditions, invalid boundary values also. Okay friends, so in this question this is not the correct answer. Option B is correct. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Share with your friends.